What's going on, everybody? Bryan here, and today I'm going to show you how I fixed the error code 40002 for the Mavic Mini. I was up in Hope Valley a couple weeks ago trying to get some footage of the leaves changing colors, and while I was doing that, this happened. So ultimately there was some dust in my gimbal which was preventing it from moving up and down. So what I ended up doing was moving the gimbal up and down like this with my finger, and while I was doing that I felt a little bit of of grinding going on. It's like a little bit of sand or dust or something that I could just feel every time I was going over one spot. So I blew on it a bunch of times, like if you have one of those air blowers, that was probably a lot better than just blowing on it. And then I just moved it back and forth until it just went away, and it was as simple as that. And I was so thankful that I did not have to buy a new drone. All I had to do was move the gimbal back and forth and blow on it, kind of like a Nintendo cartridge. I really hope that's the issue that you're having as well, and that it's a quick, easy fix where you can just kind of move it around a bit, blow on it, and get that all taken care of. So after I fixed my gimbal, I did go back up to Hope Valley last weekend, and I did get some awesome shots of the leaves changing colors. So if this video did help you, please give it a like, consider subscribing, and check out some of this awesome footage I got of the leaves changing colors in Northern California.